What if I told you there's a giant green ship permanently docked right in the middle of Amsterdam? But it's not built to sail the oceans. It's built to completely blow your mind. Welcome to the NEMO Science Museum, a place where adults secretly have way more fun than kids. Let's head inside. You don't start this machine, you just walk in, and it's already alive. One tiny steel ball is racing downward, carrying a spark of pure kinetic energy. That's all it took. One small movement to start a massive 4-minute chain of events that cannot be stopped. The ball strikes. A lever drops. A heavy spring unleashes its tension with a sharp snap, firing a block into a massive row of dominoes. They cascade perfectly. A wooden wave rolling across the floor, building momentum with every single fall. You're holding your breath because if one piece misses by a millimeter, the entire story dies right here. But it doesn't fail. The final domino drops, triggering a massive blast of compressed air. Suddenly, the energy moves vertically. A waterfall of hundreds of tiny marbles is unleashed, swirling down a giant funnel, their collective weight shifting a hidden balance scale deep inside the machine. This is where the physics shift. Weight becomes pull. Pull becomes elevation. It is energy being transferred, transformed, and handed forward, following rules of the universe that never break. Yet, every single step feels like a complete surprise. The water drives a massive wheel. The wheel forces giant, interlocking wooden gears to rotate. They pass their force sideways, then upward, fighting gravity to lift a massive iron counterweight higher and higher. The entire room is buzzing now. The clicking, splashing, and groaning of wood and metal are filling the air. The energy isn't disappearing, it's accumulating, it's growing. We are entering the final stretch. The movements are getting massive. The counterweight reaches the ceiling, pauses for one breathless second, and drops. Not because you didn't see it coming, but because you just watched a 4-minute journey of a tiny, quiet action building, growing and fighting its way through 100 obstacles just to blast something into the sky. It proves one thing beautifully. Small choices matter. But floor 1 is just the beginning. A brutal, heavy plunge that sends a massive surge of force through the final cable. The cable snaps. A giant mechanical arm pulls back, locking under extreme tension. Something is being loaded. Something is being aimed. The final trigger clicks. The arm releases, swinging violently through the air, and the rocket launches. The entire room erupts. It proves one thing beautifully. Small choices matter. But floor 1 is just the beginning. As you head up to floor 2, things get weird in the best possible way. This is where reality starts to bend. You encounter light that bends in ways that look completely wrong, and sound waves you can actually see rippling through the air. And then you hit the shadow wall. NEMO is a beautiful reminder that curiosity doesn't have an expiration date. No matter how old you are, it makes you want to touch, test, and explore the world again. Floor 3 is called Man-Made, and it's essentially a high-tech playground for engineers. Here, you build bridges and test exactly how much weight they can hold before they catastrophically collapse. You design structures and watch them ride out simulated earthquakes. Suddenly, the invisible logic behind every building and bridge you've ever walked across becomes completely visible. You find yourself standing there asking, why didn't school ever teach us like this? NEMO doesn't lecture you. It trusts you to figure it out. That's why a 1-hour visit accidentally turns into 4 hours. Then you reach floor 4, and this is where the museum gets deeply personal. This section focuses on human biology, the brain, emotions, and decision-making. There is one mind-bending exhibit that proves your memories aren't video recordings. They are reconstructions. Every single time you remember something, your brain completely rebuilds it, changing it slightly based on how you feel right now. This is where adults slow down the most. And then, you step outside onto the rooftop terrace. And this might be the absolute best part of the entire experience. The historic canals of Amsterdam open up in every direction around you. You can watch the boats moving through the harbor, feel the open breeze, and take in one of the most stunning panoramic views in the entire city. Up here, kids are playing with outdoor water channels. So, if you could only pick one, would you head straight for the chain reactions, the mind-bending brain exhibits, or would you go right to this rooftop view? Drop your choice in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and follow along as we explore more incredible places across Europe that actually make you feel alive. See you in the next one.